Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to force update Instagram to unlock hidden or missing features on your iPhone. First, let's check for a standard update. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, and pull down to refresh the list. Scroll down, and if you see Instagram, tap Update. If your app is already up to date, but you still don't see the new features, you need to clear the system cache. Go to your iPhone settings, tap General, and select iPhone Storage. Scroll down, locate Instagram, and tap on it. Next, tap Offload App and confirm. This removes the bloated app data while safely keeping all your local settings, drafts, and login info completely intact. After a few seconds, tap Reinstall App. This forces the App Store to pull a fresh, complete build of the latest version, triggering any server-side features you were missing. Open Instagram, and your new tools will be ready. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.